It's Monday morning. I should be at work right now, but I'm not, because I'm in Indiana. I flew up here to come watch that thing get completely freaking blacked out by the moon.
So, me and the kids loaded up our airplane and flew up to Greenwood, Indiana to watch the eclipse. Turns out YouTube people don't really care about the flyy part, so here's some video of it. Oh, there's the Ohio River. Hey look, Bowling Green. I've eaten lunch there like 100 times.
We watched the eclipse in 2017 from right on the field on B&A. Today we're in Greenwood, Indiana. We flew up here yesterday to watch it happen again. And forecast was a little questionable, but right now it is clear blue skies. It's supposed to get a little cloudy later, so hopefully the clouds are just not in the right spot at the right time when we get to watch, because totality here is going to be like 3.5 minutes. So that's what I'm doing today.
We spent the night in a hotel right next to the airport, and around 12:30 went out to the airport and perched up where they just had a bunch of kind of stuff going on.
Starting. Probably about 25% totality right now. You got it, you got it. Watch, here it goes. Whoop.
This is how you do an eclipse viewing. The old nature lounger. Just laying around, waiting for the sun to go black. Here it goes.
Happening! The power!
You can see the darkness off to the west. Joey, look at it now. Look. Put your glasses on and look at it.
Oh my!
We found the nighttime in the middle of the day. It is 3:07 in the afternoon. Complete solar eclipse. Field lights are on. It's dark out. There's my airplane. And there's the sun with a big black hole in it. We made it. We did it.
We did it! So cool.
This is awesome. Look at that. This is so cool. Where's Joey? Oh, is he over there? This is the sun. It's alright. We'll know when it starts coming back out.
Blinding everybody. Said that.
Is this your first solar eclipse? This is pretty cool. You like it? Yeah, he was alive for the last one. He doesn't remember it though. There it is. The light's coming back. Daytime back here, nighttime back there. We got our 4 minutes. That's all we got. But man, that was cool.
4 minutes of something we won't experience in almost 20 years.
Yep, 20 years till the next one. That's crazy. That was awesome.
I guess it's kind of easy in the moment to almost forget how fortunate we are to live the lifestyle we do, to own an airplane, and be able to go on adventures like this. We loaded back up and flew home through some weather, but really easy flight. I really thought about giving up this channel and just not doing this anymore, because I've been flying a lot lately and haven't strapped a camera to the airplane once, but I love doing this. This is fun, and maybe I'm not producing videos as much as I want to, but it still matters. These are still memories that I want to hold on to forever, and yeah, why not capture those?